Looks like a gorgeous day. What? Was it raining earlier?
Yeah, believe it or not, that's Virginia weather for you. It turns around in a hurry. It's turned around in a good way. And we're going to see a lot of this going back and forth throughout this week as we're in a very, what I call progressive pattern, because we've got one storm system lined up right after the other and a lot going on with both the southern stream and also the northern stream as we track systems coming across the United States. Let me show you how we did for today. The morning low temperature 52, the high just 59. That was until we hit our current temperature of 60. That is the new high for the day. Officially only about 1/3 of an inch of rainfall out at RIC, but other areas north and west of town received a lot more rainfall than that. Right now we're at the high for the day of 60 degrees. A very light north to northwesterly breeze at about 6 miles per hour. Not really enough to get my pinwheels for prevention spinning out here in the Backyard Weather Center, but we'll have that wind tomorrow in a big way. Other temperatures across Virginia, mostly in the upper 50s and low 60s. Here's a look at our pollen report for today. We have the tree pollen that's high, the grass pollen that is in the moderate category. All right, windy and warm tomorrow, a few storms possible in the afternoon. More rain coming up on Thursday, and we'll have low rain chances extending into the upcoming weekend as well. Let's check out the view right now through our Millionaire Cam. It's a pretty shot, and there's the rain that fell earlier today. Again, it was a band of persistent moderate to occasionally heavy rainfall north and west of Richmond, an inch to an inch and a half of total rainfall out there. So we're getting a little bit of an opportunity to dry out this evening. There's the back edge of the cloud cover. It'll continue to advance to the east. See folks in the northern neck and middle peninsula, you get a little sunshine before it sets. And back to the north and west, this is the storm system for tomorrow. Area of low pressure and cold front. That'll drive some colder area in tomorrow night. And then another system moving on to the west coast. This will bring rain to the area coming up on Thursday. Tomorrow afternoon, a chance for some severe weather in areas in green. Damaging winds will be the primary threat here. Lows tonight will be in the mid to upper 40s, and then high temperatures tomorrow will be much warmer than today. We're looking at low 70s across much of the area and mid to upper 60s elsewhere. Here's your sky cast. A slight chance for some showers mid-morning tomorrow. Better chance for a shower thunderstorm around 3 o'clock. We'll have winds starting out from the southwest and flipping around in the northwest, and they'll be strong throughout the day at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Rest of tonight, nothing happening, mostly clear skies. Nothing going on early tomorrow morning, but we'll have a few showers, again, around 9 o'clock in the morning, and then we'll have the band of showers and storms coming through about 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon through 5 o'clock, where it'll be affecting parts of the northern neck and middle peninsula. After that, skies clear out, and it will be chilly by Wednesday morning, back down into the 30s again, before warming up into the low 60s by afternoon, Wednesday afternoon. All right, here's a look at your temperature trend. You're not going to see any 80s on here. In fact, the warmest days are barely getting back up to what we consider normal for this time of the year. So it's another cool stretch of weather. We have been running a long stretch of pleasant spring weather, and that is not going to be changing over the next week. No 80s on there, but we do have plenty of rain chances Thursday and onto the weekend as well.